girls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing this video for you where I define and do my version of the wet look on my Malaysian curly wig. It honestly, I'm not even so familiar with hair types, but this reminds me of a nice 4A3C type curl, which is like, you know, like very nice and spirally, I guess. Like, I'm not even sure. Let me stop trying to class this here. But anyways, got this wig from Beauty Forever Hair. They sent me a 24-inch Malaysian curly wig. I have gotten their Malaysian curly bundles before, but it was definitely nothing like this. So I honestly love this texture. I like just like how the waves look at the top. Like, even though I honestly brushed and combed it out, like it's still nice and wavy at the top, and it just really completes this wet look tutorial. So thank you so much for sending me this hair. The links to purchase this will be in the description box. It is also a glueless wig. For all you ladies that like your wigs glueless, this wig is a glueless wig. So definitely go and purchase it. Again, the links will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned while I show you how I achieve the wet look. We are going to get into this hair, okay? This hair is from Beauty Forever Hair, okay? They sent me a curly wig in 24 inches. I'm defining it, and I will speak more about it, or I have already spoken more about it. So we just doing the wet look. The wet look, because it's been getting really hyped up over the past couple of weeks, the wet look, and obviously I'm late because I'm always late to everything. So before I like brush it out, I'm gonna make sure I just add some mousse. So it's water and mousse. That's what we're doing. In the bottle, in the spray bottle, it's just water. I'm using the Afro G mousse. I tried to mousse my baby hairs, but I don't have that shit on lock. I don't have it together. It'll be white at first, but obviously it dries down clear. So don't even worry, never to be afraid. I feel like the reason why I'm getting some type of shedding is because it's the first time that I've ever like started to detangle this hair, which means obviously I've plucked the front, so it's gonna definitely be some shed hairs in the front because that's where you pluck, right? Yeah, and I've had this wig laid out, so it hasn't been together, which means the curls basically got frizzy and all over the place, which we're definitely fixing with the wet look. And well, Santo itself, right? Yeah. So this is really pretty, really defined. I'm gonna go in more with the mousse in the front because we're pretty by every side, every on any side. Yeah, beautiful. We're gonna go in with the mousse right there just so it could be super duper flat, so we could tuck it behind our ears, because the wet look does require a tuck behind your ears. Or you could still leave it out front, it don't matter what you do, but yeah, tucking it behind my ears is gonna make me feel more beautiful. So we're gonna continue to wet the hair root to tip, tip to roots, and go in with the brush. The brush is definitely defining these curls. Like, do y'all see this? I'm putting it against my face. Cute, beautiful. All the wig specs will be left down below, and I'm gonna basically just finish up the rest in Soylence. So this is a cute ass wig, I'm not gonna lie. It's bomb as hell. And I could bet it's not that expensive. I could bet it's one of the most inexpensive wigs you're gonna ever purchase in your life. And oh yeah, the parting space is, it don't have no 2-inch parting space at the side trying to finesse you out your money when they tell you a lace front wig. Okay, it's a 13 by 4 here, 13 by 4 here. Look, I ain't even lying to you. Do you see it? I know y'all see this. Lace, okay? You're not seeing no type of material where, what's it called, the tracks are sewn on. You're seeing lace, okay sis? So if you wanted to do a half up, half down, you wanted to part it straight down in the middle, you wanted to do a nice deep side part, this wig allows you to do that without having to stress about, oh, I don't have enough parting space. Oh, we could just do a flip over instead. I hate when people bring me wigs and they're like, oh yeah, I want to do a side part, and I'm like, oh yes, like they're gonna get a nice deep side part, like some deep and nice, you know. But no fam, these companies want to finesse, but Beauty Forever would never. Beauty Forever would never. So this is all of it. This is 24 inches. Obviously when I drag it down, it is 24 inches on me, but when you're working with curly hair is not always true to length because it is curly, so it will tell you it's 24 inches. So when you straighten it, you'll get 24 inches, but it honestly takes off about 4 inches. So right now this hair on me is giving me 20-inch vibes, which usually stops here. And yeah, so let me take off this. Okay sis, the reveal. Okay, so as y'all know from the jump, this is a glueless wig. I turned my wig glueless and I freaking love it. This is perfect for when you're in a tropical climate like or India or freaking Africa, Jamaica, any Caribbean island, anywhere. You're good. Yes, yes. Goody come out and all these things. Like, do you guys see this? Do you ladies see this? I made my wig glueless. It is stuck onto the scalp. Okay sis, not going anywhere. And at the end of the night, could literally spray your water. Ooh. And you could literally spray your water bottle by the edges and just loosen it up by rubbing on the lace, and your wig is off just like that. Don't forget to shop this wig if you'd like to purchase this wig in longer inches or shorter. It'll be on their website, so go and check it out. The links will be in the description box. And again, I will see you lovely ladies in